Have you ever heard of Lunar? This mysterious financial app has been making waves in the digital banking world. But here's the burning question: is Lunar a credit card? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine a financial app that offers a sleek interface, personalized features, and a focus on sustainable living. That's what Lunar promises. But is it really a credit card in disguise? Lunar is a Danish fintech company that provides a mobile banking platform. It offers various financial products, including prepaid debit cards, savings accounts, and investment options. While it doesn't directly provide credit cards in the traditional sense, it offers a unique approach to personal finance. Prepaid debit cards. One of Lunar's core products is prepaid debit cards. These cards work similarly to traditional debit cards, allowing you to spend money from your linked bank account. However, they don't offer credit facilities. This means you can only spend what you have in your account. Benefits of prepaid debit cards. Prepaid debit cards offer several advantages. They can help you manage your spending and avoid debt by preventing you from spending more than you have. They're also generally safer than credit cards as they don't involve borrowing money. Beyond prepaid cards, while prepaid debit cards are a significant part of Lunar's offerings, the app also provides other financial features. These include savings accounts, investment options, and budgeting tools. These features can help you manage your finances more effectively and achieve your financial goals. Comparing Lunar to credit cards. Let's compare Lunar to traditional credit cards. While Lunar doesn't offer credit facilities, it provides many of the same benefits, such as convenience, security, and access to various financial services. However, if you're looking for credit, Lunar won't be the right choice. The bottom line: so, is Lunar a credit card? Not in the traditional sense. It's a fintech app that offers a range of financial products, including prepaid debit cards. While it doesn't provide credit facilities, it can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. If you're interested in exploring Lunar and its offerings, I encourage you to visit their website or download their app. They offer a variety of resources to help you learn more about their products and services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.